Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can record your screen in Windows 10 without installing any extra software. That's right, Windows 10 comes with a built-in screen recorder and it's super easy to use. First, click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and go to Settings. From there, head over to the Gaming section. Inside, you'll find the Game Bar option. Make sure it's turned on. Here you'll also see the default shortcut for screen recording, which is Windows plus Alt plus R. If you'd like, you can customize these shortcuts according to your preference. In the same settings, under the Capture section, you can adjust options like audio quality, video quality, and other recording preferences to suit your needs. Now let's try recording. To start, simply press Windows plus G to bring up the game bar, then use the shortcut Windows plus Alt plus R to begin recording. You'll see a small control bar on your screen showing that recording has started. Keep in mind that File Explorer and the desktop itself cannot be recorded using this tool. But don't worry, applications like browsers, YouTube, PowerPoint presentations, Microsoft Office apps, and most other programs can be recorded smoothly in high quality. For example, if I want to record a presentation, I just open it, press the shortcut keys, and the recording starts right away. Simple as that. That's how you can use the built-in screen recorder in Windows 10 without any third-party software. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video. For more tech tips, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching.